What are the advantages of installing non-LG Content Store apps on my LG Smart TV?
Hello, TV enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a subject that could greatly enhance your TV viewing experience: the advantages of installing non-LG Content Store apps on your LG Smart TV. Whether you're a movie buff, a serial binge watcher, or a casual viewer, this discussion could unlock new opportunities for your home entertainment.
What are non-LG Content Store apps?
Simply put, non-LG Content Store apps are applications that aren't directly available from the built-in LG Content Store. These apps could be from a variety of sources and offer a myriad of functionalities, from streaming services, media players, games, to even productivity tools.
Why should I consider installing these apps?
The primary reason to consider non-LG Content Store apps is the enhanced selection and diversity they offer. With these apps, you're not confined to the choices in the LG Content Store, hence broadening your entertainment options. 1. Access to more content. You might find some unique streaming services or specific niche content providers that aren't available in the LG Content Store. 2. Different formats and codecs. Certain media player apps support a wider range of file formats and codecs than those available by default on your smart TV, giving you more flexibility with your media. 3. Gaming and more. Some apps could transform your smart TV into a casual gaming station or even a hub for information or productivity.
Are there any risks involved?
It's important to note that while non-LG Content Store apps have their benefits, they come with potential risks too. For example, security is a concern, as these apps aren't vetted by LG. You might also experience compatibility issues, as not all apps are designed for your LG Smart TV's operating system, WebOS. Therefore, always ensure you're downloading apps from trusted sources and do a bit of research before installation. Expanding your app selection beyond the LG Content Store can significantly enrich your viewing and entertainment experience. However, remember to install these apps responsibly to keep your device secure. We hope this video has shed light on the advantages of non-LG Content Store apps. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your LG Smart TV's potential.